Hello friends, this is your Yoganandam, biology lecturer from Edall Academy YouTube channel. In this video, let us discuss about one of the important family from morphology of flowering plants. This is newly added family for NEET 2024 examination. So you all know there are many families newly added for NEET 2024 examination. From that families, Cruciferae is one of the important family. This family is otherwise called as Brassicaceae or mustard family. Let us discuss about this family, general characters, and some economically valuable plants one by one. So try to remember, Cruciferae is otherwise called as Brassicaceae family. Let's discuss about mostly these family members are herbaceous. What do you know about herbaceous? Small plants. For example, you all know mustard plant. Mustard plant is a small herbaceous plant. So most of these family members can grow in the form of small herbaceous form. Well, you're talking about the body parts, vegetative organs with pungent juice containing sulfur compound produce strong odor, that is pungent juice containing sulfur compound. So while you're moving towards these plants, Brassicaceae family members, we can get some strong smell that is called as pungent juice contained due to the presence of sulfur compound. The plant body. Inflorescence. What kind of inflorescence seen in these family members? Racemose. What do you know about racemose? The mode of arrangement of flowers in ascending order. Older flowers are seen at the bottom, younger flowers are seen at the top. Or corymb. In some plants, corymb or umbel type of inflorescence seen. In flowers are bimerous. What do you know about bimerous? The outer two walls are differentiated into calyx and corolla. Calyx consists of two sepals and their multiplications. Corolla consists of two petals and their multiplications. That means bimerous. Two and their multiplications are called as bimerous. Four and their multiplications are called as tetramerous. So flowers are bimerous or tetramerous. Corolla consists of four petals. Else cruciform type. Cruciform type means it looks like in the form of sword. So this kind of corolla seen in Cruciferae family members. And raceme is tetradynamous. What is the meaning of tetradynamous? Out of 6 stamens, 4 stamens have longer filament, 2 stamens have shorter filament. This kind of arrangement is called as tetradynamous. Gynoecium with 2 carpels, bicarpellary, syncarpous. Carpels are united with superior ovary. Ovary is present above the floral parts such as sepals, petals, and stamen. Flowers with superior ovary are called as hypogynous flowers. Placentation is parietal placentation. So try to remember, gynoecium is bicarpellary, syncarpous, superior ovary with parietal placentation. Due to the presence of false septum, that it is service called as septum is service called as rhiplum seen in mature fruits. Mature fruits have cross wall, that means septum or rhiplum. Fruits. What kind of fruits seen in these family members? Silicua or silicula. Try to remove this also important. What kind of fruits seen in these family members? Silicua or silicula. The next, let us discuss about important floral characters. Let us discuss one by one. An inflorescence, flower, floral parts such as calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium, one by one. So already we have discussed, try to remember from the general character itself, what kind of inflorescence in this family members? Racemose. Example, Brassica. Brassica is a botanical name of mustard. What do you know about racemose type of inflorescence? The mode of arrangement of flowers in ascending order. Older flowers are seen at the bottom, younger flowers are seen at the tip of the inflorescence axis. In Rapanus, compound raceme type of inflorescence is present. And what is the difference between simple raceme and compound raceme? Simple raceme type of inflorescence in only one main axis, but compound raceme main axis with branches. Branches are bearing flowers in acropetal succession. That means ascending order. Example, Rapanus. Corymb type of inflorescence seen in Ibis amara. So try to remember they are given 3 types of inflorescence. simple raceme, compound raceme, and corymb. And while you're talking about flowers with bract, so it is called as bracteate. Some flowers do not have bract. Such flowers are called as ebracteate flowers. Flowers with stalk called as pedicellate. Both androecium and gynoecium are present in the same flower, so it is called as bisexual or hermaphrodite. So actinomorphic. Flower can cut into two equal halves at any vertical plane, so it is called as actinomorphic. But in Ibis amara, zygomorphic can cut into two equal halves in only one vertical plane. Flowers with superior ovary. Flowers with superior ovary are called as hypogynous. Two sepals under multiplications, two petals under multiplications. Two under multiplications are called as bimerous. The flowers are having four floral parts under multiplications. That means four sepals under multiplications, four petals under multiplications are called as bi or tetramerous. So this also you try to understand. Calyx consists of how many sepals? They are given very clearly. Calyx consists of four sepals, that is arranged in two whorls. Polysepalous, sepals are free. What type of estivations in calyx? Imbricate estivation, that means irregular arrangement. Corolla consists of four petals. Cruciform type, polypetalous, petals are free. Petals just touch one another without overlapping, so it is called as velvet estivation. And androecium, this is called as male reproductive part of the flower. Totally there are how many stamens are there? 6 stamens are there, arranged in two whorls. 4 stamens have longer filament, 2 stamens have shorter filament. So this kind of arrangement is called as tetradynamous. 4 stamens have long stamens attached anterior posterior, and 2 stamens have shorter filament arranged in lateral position. So this kind of arrangement is called as tetradynamous. And gynoecium, already we have discussed, try to remember, with two carpels. Carpels are united. Ovary is superior, single locule, but becoming bilocular due to the formation of false septum. This is called as rhiplum. Ovules many. Placentation. What kind of placentation? Parietal placentation. Placenta is located towards periphery. Style is short. Stigma with two lobes. Bilobed. Fruit is siliqua or silicula type of fruit seen in these family members. So that is clearly explained with the help of floral diagram and floral formula. The entire family characters are explained within this formula. Try to remember is flower, cruciform type. Cruciform type means it looks like in the form of swan. The flowers without bract called as ebracteate. So here bracts are not seen in this flower, ebracteate. In some flowers of bract, and the symbol represent actinomorphic. Flower can cut into two equal halves at any vertical plane. Flower can cut into two equal halves at any vertical plane. So it is called as actinomorphic. This symbol represented as bisexual. Both androecium and gynoecium are present in the same flower. So it is called as bisexual. Calyx consists of 4 sepals. This one is sepal. 4 sepals arranged in two whorls. 2 sepals are arranged in outer whorl. 2 sepals are arranged in inner whorl. Is sepals are free from one another. So it is called as polysepalous. Imbricate estivation. In corolla consists of, see this one is corolla, second wall of the flower. Corolla consists of 4 petals. Petals are free from one another, just touch one another without overlapping. So this kind of arrangement is called as velvet estivation. See the next, androecium. Totally there are how many stamens are there? 6 stamens are there, arranged in two whorls. 4 stamens have longer filament. 2 stamens have shorter filament. So this kind of arrangement is called as tetradynamous. Then gynoecium. with two carpels, bicarpellary, syncarpus. See, the line is given below G. So it's represented as superior ovary. Bicarpellary is given within the bracket, syncarpus, united. Superior ovary. So from this family, we are getting several economically valuable products. Here we are going to discuss some of the valuable products. Hybris amara. This plant cultivated as ornamental plant is commonly called as candy tuff. And Brassica campestris is commonly called as sarsen. The seeds, from these seeds, mustard oil is extracted. And Brassica nigra, this is commonly called as black sarsen, used in spices. And Brassica oleracea, vernacular name capitata, is commonly called as cabbage. So you all know about cabbage. Cabbage is used as vegetable. Leaves are edible. And Brassica oleracea, that vernacular name is botrytis, is commonly called as cauliflower. Inflorescence is used in vegetable. Then Brassica oleracea, the vernacular name is gonicloids. Gobi, the swollen nodes are eaten. And Rapanus sativus, radish. So you all know about radish, root used in vegetable and salad. Then Brassica rapa, commonly called as turnip, fleshy roots are eaten. And Brassica jansea is commonly called as Indian rye, used in spices. So these are all some economically valuable plant species. But from that, Cherryanthus cherry is a medicinal plant used to treat respiratory disorder. In bronchial disorder, also has ornamental value called as whale flower. So all some economically valuable plants. Thank you very much for listening our videos. Those watching our videos, you are requested to like, subscribe and share to your friends. All the best.